I want to leave everybody with just one mental picture to have here to sort of define whether or not something is embedded AI. But I'm going to give you a clear imagery here to fall back on. So you have a website, let's say, and you want to change your design to dark mode. This is your intent. This is the thing you want to do. So you tell the prompt, make my design dark mode, and it just does it. What actually happens there is you need to have some understanding of the way the design works. You're going to have to go and make some CSS tweaks. Maybe that's done through an options panel, depending on how your design's set up. Maybe it's required custom CSS. Maybe you have to do some other torturous thing because of the system you're using. It doesn't matter, but you have an idea, and this needs to be executed in some way. Embedded AI is you express the idea and the outcome happens. That is the magic. You don't need to know how it's done. It just does it for you. You get to the result. And if you think about it, that's so amazing because I don't know, I think my 20-year website history, like people have all these things that they express that they want, but actually getting precisely what they want is very difficult. The pieces involved are sometimes super messy. Sometimes their understanding of what they want doesn't really match the reality of what happens there. And to be able to sit here and say, we are now at the point where you can express an idea and get that result in seconds with the help of this tool.